I've got to have croutons in a Caesar salad. I don't know about
For
you.
the crunch, yeah.
For the crunch, right? So the ingredients in our croutons, we're just going to do a little bit of sourdough bread.
Okay.
I'm going to show you how to cut that up. I've got olive oil, garlic powder, and a little bit of dried parsley, and then just some salt and pepper. Now we could add other things to this. We could put Parmesan cheese. We could put fresh garlic. I have fresh garlic here if you want. There's lots of things you can add to your croutons. We're keeping it simple. And Dyan, if you want to add something, if you want a little spice, we can put a little bit of chili flake or cayenne, or we can keep it basic. I'm willing to bet you've made croutons before.
I have.
She's not made croutons before. Okay, so we're gonna it's simple.
I
We're
buy them. It's so much easier.
so easy to make, Dyan.
Okay, good.
Literally
Show me.
like 15 minutes, we're gonna have fresh, beautiful croutons.
And I'm gonna eat them all.
Yeah, they're good. And we can have 2 batches because I cut up some before you got here. So first step is we wanna learn to hold the chef's knife properly. So thumb here, forefinger here. Have you done that?
Done nothing. Okay.
Thumb here for, yep, good, you got it. Okay, so what I learned in culinary school years ago is we eat with our eyes first, and you want everything to be cut almost in the same shape and size if you're doing something like a soup or a vegetable crudité or whatever it is. Here we're doing croutons, so we don't want a bunch of different size squares. So I'm just gonna start here, right? So I did these are my starting point, right? So then I'm gonna stick it here, and I'm just gonna go, okay, it's about the same width, and I'm just gonna cut
Oh,
down
that's
this way.
interesting.
So that's how you're just gonna, they do this in baking, right? Everybody does it. So now we've got this one. This could be our guide. It's a little big, but that's okay.
Oh,
And
that's
so you just go ahead.
interesting.
You cut the rest of them.
Right.
Don't cut yourself. Oh, she scares me. Okay, that's perfect. Okay, look at that. We did it. And now they're all about the same size. That's just a way to do it the same size.
Don't think I'm weird because I clap, but I've never cut a piece of bread that makes a crouton. And everything is a new adventure, and I'm really excited about it.
Good. So then I go, okay, I'm gonna cut this into thirds now because I want this shape, right?
Okay.
So we're just gonna go here. I'll give you this half, and I'll do this half. So I just kind of look at it and go, okay, I'm gonna do it into thirds. So go ahead, cut it into thirds the way I showed you with holding the knife. She's good, people. Yep, and then one more. Okay, and now look at your croutons. They're all about the same size.
Yeah, they are.
Yeah,
Look at
easy.
that, and we both cut them.
Yeah.
That's pretty exciting.
It's pretty good. So now they're all gonna go in the bowl. All right.
In the bowl.
Into the bowl. So simple, so easy. Okay, Dyan, if you can put the olive oil, just drizzle it on the top there. We're making homemade croutons. Good. Okay, and then
drizzled.
She drizzled. That's right. And that's extra virgin olive oil. It's incredible. This is garlic powder. We're getting the garlic powder in. If your garlic powder or whatever has gotten clumpy, you want to pat it down. You want it powdery.
That's good. Should I put this in?
Yeah.
This is the dried parsley.
Yeah, just to add a little color. That's why I
that's
did
pretty.
that. Yeah.
Salt and pepper.
Salt and pepper, ma'am. Go for it. Good.
So exciting.
And we got the garlic powder. I'll put the garlic in since I'm the Italian here, okay? All right, here we go. Just give it a nice toss. And she, yeah, you never know, okay? Her name is not Dyan Cannon for nothing.
You see, this is a Laker championship ring, so I'm a sports girl. She says, give it a toss. Well,
Do I know my guests or do I know my guests?
isn't that extraordinary? I mean, that's who she
Is you. I knew
That's
you were
who this
coming
girl
to cook,
is.
and I
Purple
said,
and gold, Lakers. Yay!
Lakers. Okay.
Thank you so much.
Preheat your oven to 375.
Okay.
And then we've got this all prepped, okay? So now we're gonna put it onto our baking sheet.
This is, what do you call this?
It's pomegranate juice.
Pomegranate. That's what she calls it.
Cheers to everyone. We're drinking
It is. It's
pomegranate juice.
pomegranate juice.
Okay, so there you go. There's the croutons. It's not a lot, and they're not covered in a ton of oil, but we don't need a ton of oil. Who says we need
Maybe
a
it
ton?
should have been 2 of these.
You could increase it. I'm going a little lighter because the recipes that I'm trying to show everyone is the stuff I do to maintain. You know, I lost 35 pounds many years ago.
I know.
Yeah.
Hard to believe.
Yeah. So anyways, okay. So these are gonna go in the oven I'm gonna put them in for 5 minutes, check them, we're gonna toss them, and then cook them another 5 minutes. We're putting these in the oven at 375. Just slide them in. There you go. You know, halfway through, you always want to
stir.
kind of give them something. Yeah.
A little shake.
Yeah. And they're fine. Yeah, they're gonna need at least another 5 to 8 minutes. They're done. Okay, so the croutons are made. We're gonna set them aside and let them cool. Teamwork makes the dream work.
Oh! Oh my God, my first homemade crouton. I love it.
Right? And it didn't need that much oil. Oh,
Huh?
so crunchy.
So crunchy.
Okay, you guys, 10 minutes, 5 minutes on each side is perfect.
Remember to like, save, share, and that you are deeply loved by God.